Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rust journey. Today we are going to bring Rust in your computer. Think of it like inviting a roommate that can build anything, right? So we are going to install Rust step by step. First we will go with Windows, then we will go with Ubuntu, basically a Linux system, and after that I will explain you the Mac one, how we can install on a Mac. So no matters what machine you are using, you are covered. And don't worry, you don't need to be a technical person for this. I will explain everything in a human language, so everything will be easy. So, before we install Rust, let's meet the three superheroes of the Rust world. First is rustup. Think of rustup as a Rust manager, the boss. It installs Rust for you, keep it updates, and let you switch between versions easily. Imagine rustup as a personal assistant. Next is Rust. Rust is a Rust compiler. It is the one who take your Rust code which human understand and translate it into a computer language in a binary number like a zeros and one. Without Rust, our code is beautiful but useless. Next we will see Cargo. Cargo is the Rust package manager. It's like a all-in-one army knife. It builds your project, run it, test it, and can even download libraries from internet. If Rust was a car, Cargo was the steering wheel. Okay, now let's begin with the installation part. Now you can see I'm on my Windows system, and what you need to do right now here, just open any browser, whatever you prefer, no matters whether Chrome or Firefox. So what you need to do right now here, just type here Rust and hit enter. As you enter, in your results, you will see here install Rust, right? Just what you need to do, just click on this button and it will redirect you to this page, install Rust. There you will see two files, two exe files. One is for 32 bits and second is one is for 64 bits. What you need to do, just whatever your system prefers, just click on that file and it will get downloaded. I will download it for 64 bit. I will click here and you can see my file is downloaded. I will open it and you can see my file is here. I will double click on it and you can ignore these first four lines. These are just a warning. These will not come for you. This is only for me. So basically you can see here it is saying some things like how you need to install the Rust in your system. We will go with the first way, quick install via the Visual Studio Community Installer. So what we will do, I will press here 1 and I will hit enter and it will start downloading Visual Studio Installer for me. And here you can see I'm getting one message, do you want to install? Yes, I want to install. I will click here install and it will start installing. I will continue here and it will get ready for me things. These are done. It will take some time for you, but for me it's done. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, now you can see things are done and I can close it right now from here. On my terminal now you can see we have got three options. How do I need to install Rust? Proceed with standard installation, custom installation, or I can cancel the installation. I need to proceed the installation with standard installation, right? So I will press here 1 and I will hit enter. So now you can see I have getted the perfect message that I want. Rust is installed now. Great. Press any key to continue. I will press any key and I can exit it from this terminal. I can close this all tabs basically from here and I will open terminal here and I will see whether my Rust is installed in my system or not. So for that what I will do, I will write here Rustc and hyphen version. Okay. And I will hit enter. Now you can see our Rust is installed. The version that is installed is 1.89.0. Congratulations window users, your Rust is installed in your system and now it's time to play with this. Okay, so from next videos we will see. So how are you Linux users? Are you waiting yet? Don't worry, we will install the file. Okay, now I have moved to my basically Ubuntu system. Let me record my screen here. Okay, now you can see we are on our Ubuntu system, basically a Linux system. We will open here our browser. That can be any browser, whatever you prefer. Okay, and let me open it. Okay, new window, and here I will open any profile. And okay, this is a simple step. Just write in your browser here Rust and hit enter. And after that, click on install Rust, and it will redirect you to this landing page. Now you can see here we are not getting the two options, the Windows one, right? Here we are directly getting one URL. So what you need to do, just copy this URL and come to your terminal. Okay, so we will come here to our terminal, and I will paste this line of command here, and I will hit enter. That will start downloading the binary files, or we can say our Rust in our local system. We will wait for a while till it's downloading. And now you can see we are getting the same options. We are getting the same three options in our Ubuntu system also. Proceed with the standard installation, custom installation, and we can cancel the installation. Simply we will do with the standard installation, and I will press here one and I will hit enter. Now you can see this is installing my basically Rust in my system. We will wait for a while till it's downloading. Okay, now you can see we have got it a perfect message that Rust is installed now. Great. And now let's check the Rust version, what is installed here. So for that we will do cargo, and not cargo, basically Rust c and hyphen hyphen version. And if I hit enter, you can see we have the same version 1.89.0. So congratulations Linux users, or we can say an Ubuntu users, we have successfully installed Rust in our Ubuntu system. And now it's time for the Mac persons. Now see, you don't need to worry anything. Just follow the same to same thing as we have done here for Linux system. Okay, just what you need to do, go to your browser and come to this website, copy this URL and paste it in your terminal. That's it, no need to do anything else. Just go with the standard installation and you are done with the installation. Just check whether Rust is installed or not by doing rustc space hyphen hyphen version, and you are good to go. Let me know if you have any doubts. So if you are getting any error, just comment here and I will try to fix it as soon as possible. Okay, that's all guys for this video. I hope you don't have any doubt in installation. If you have, just directly comment here, I will help you. Yeah, so thank you, I will catch up in next video. Thank you guys.